Hi, I'm Bill Powers, and we're going to try to streamline a computer today. A lot of people buy computers and they come with software on them, and it's hard navigating around and figuring out what's going on. And there's a lot of programs on there that only last for maybe 30 or 60 days or whatever. And we're going to try to install three today. We're going to try to install three programs that are free, that are there, that do the work efficiently, and get you around the computer and cut down on some of that overhead. And so we're going to go up and make a directory, and we're going to, where all our downloads are going to go, you're going to see on the computer where the materials are going, so you can navigate these things and have a little bit more control over what's happening. Then we're going to take off some programs that they only last for 30 to 60 days anyway. We're going to take them off, take some of that overhead off, and show you how to do that. And we're just going to step through the process on the screen. We're going to be doing three programs. We're going to do AVG, and we're going to, which is an antivirus program. We're going to do SpyBot, which is one that takes off a lot of the spyware. And then we're going to do an alternative web browser, just so that you can contrast with the Explorer that comes with the machine. Those are the three we're going to try to put on there. So we're going to go through the steps, and we'll see what happens.